My name is Frank Norris. I'm the construction manager at the Anderson, South Carolina office of America's Home Place. I have been working for America's Home Place since 1983. I've been with America's Home Place for all these years because I love it so much. I love the people. I love building homes. I love working with the customers. I can work a 10-hour, 12-hour day. I don't feel like I've worked. It's that much fun. We try to build every home like it's going to be our own, like we're building it for our mom or building it for our grandparents. America's Home Place has a high integrity because of the culture that's here. It's not 10 different people, it's 10 people as a team, from the owner to the upper management to everybody that's involved. That's good quality people.